high-performance aluminum profiles with tensile, compressive, corrosional resistance. Technical specifications available. The client sought countless factories before choosing Zhongyan Aluminum for road compaction anti-compression checks. Our design teams excels at structural mechanic calculation and product design. During the sample test, our aluminum profiles withstood of the pressure of 12 ton, exactly, and a 46 ton containment track without deforming or breaking. We further optimize the minimum wall thickness of our clients, ensuring a smooth delivery. Given our proven track record, are you ready to discuss your specific needs in the comments?